In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract audio from a video in CapCut. So here's my video, and to extract its audio, just right click on it and then look for extract audio. And as you can see, this is a pro feature in CapCut, so you probably will have one use per month for it. And so just click on it, and then you'll see the audio for the video down below. And to extract or to export this whole video as just an MP3, since you don't want the video, we can click on export over here. And then make sure you're signed in, click on try for free. And then over here you can uncheck the video box and scroll down and check the audio and make sure MP3 is selected, and then you can export this normally. And that's it. So if you didn't have the pro feature, you can also just export this video just like a normal video, just like this. And then when you're done exporting it, it'll be an MP4, of course. So just go to what is it called? Go to your browser and then search for MP4 to MP3 converter, and then click on this, and then from here you can convert your MP4 to an MP3, so it'll act as it's extracting the audio for you basically. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.